Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to make $400 every week on Snapchat. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can earn money using your Snapchat application. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root your device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store or your App Store. This works on both iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter the one that you're using. Now once you open your App Store, then you search for your Snapchat, and then you update your Snapchat to the latest version. So if your Snapchat is not updated to the latest version, you need to make sure it is updated. Now once you have updated your Snapchat, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open your Snapchat application, and then you click on the filters over here. Now all you need to do is to swap up, and once you swap up, you can see you have to search for your favorite filters over here. Now once you have searched for your favorite filters, all you need to do is to click on professional photos. So you have to create a professional photos using the filters over here. Now once you are done, all you need to do is to open your browser. So just open your browser over here. You can open your Google or your browser. Now once you open your browser, then you search for FOAP, and I will advise you to click on the first link which says tailor-made video and images. Click on that, and once you click on that, you can see the three lines at the upper right corner. Click on the three lines. I have already created an account, so you have to if you are new on this website, you have to click on create an account, and then once you click on create an account, you log in with, you can choose your Facebook, or you can enter your email address and then sign up. Now once you are done, you can see submit your brand brief. So all you need to do is to click on this and then upload all the professional photos you created. Upload them over here. So in this case, any brand or agency which purchase your photos online, you earn half of the profit. This is so amazing. So any brand or agency who purchase your photos from your FOAP profile, then you earn half of the profit. This is so amazing. With this, you can earn a lot of money from your Snapchat application. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a